too close to another parked vehicle. That
because
is
he wanted to back. He backed all the way. We was parked there, and he backed all the way up.
Literally, he does this every day.
He backed all the way up into the car. So
I haven't said shit.
Van.
Look at my front
stop
bumper.
fucking backing
I
up.
Columbus Police 118.
Yeah, can I get a sergeant at 1065 Campbell Avenue?
1065 Campbell?
Yes, your officer's got a call too, and literally your officer after like he's being a racist motherfucker towards my husband and them. So I need one of your sergeants out here. Everything's on recording. I'll have him. He won't have a job next week. He's a white racist hillbilly motherfucker.
All right. So are you wanting to make a complaint on the officer?
No, I want your sergeant out here to deal with the situation at hand, and I will be making a complaint on your officer. Yes, I will be.
Okay.
He's on recording. I will be hitting the news about him.
I understand that, but it's two separate numbers. So it's the Inspector General to make a complaint.
Okay, well, right now I need your sergeant to deal with the situation at hand.
Okay. All right. What's your name?
Crysa, C-R-Y-S-H-A, Valentin, V-A-L-E-N-T-I-N.
Okay. All right. What's your phone number? Okay. I'll send them a message. Thank you.
You're not asking, you're shouting. What's going on?
Okay.
They're petty. They don't want nobody to park on this
Come over
side.
here, I'll tell you.
Here, you guys,
Come here. Father, come over here.
Come on.
Come here. Okay,
so what's going on?
Anyway, let's sit here and park. This gentleman, damn near hits my wife's bumper. She honks the horn. He pulls up, okay? So, anyway, he almost hit it, so my wife honked the horn. He pulled up. This vehicle is about to go in over here. So he pulled over here because I got to do the brakes, right? As you see, the wheels over there levitate like this, okay? Get over here. So anyway, so the vehicle was pulled back. Never once did they come out and say, hey, we're moving, can you move your vehicle? Nothing, right? This is public, right? Is this a public street? Yes or no? Yes.
Yeah.
So the vehicle support that.
Which one?
The white one and the silver one.
I mean, there's laws about parking too close to another parked car.
Since when?
Well, we got
Since
cameras.
it
We
was
parked
written
close to me
probably
first.
a couple decades ago.
Here, move your dad's van. Move your dad's van. So we'll get that shit taken care of. But I'm gonna tell you what, if he hits that vehicle, if he even gets a hair fraction of too close, then there won't be no discussion about nothing then. Since y'all want to be, okay, pro-anal or whatever the case may be, that's what it is.
Good for you.
I know it's
Okay.
good for me. I protect these motherfuckers.
So, did a car get hit?
Turn pop to it.
Now, any damage to any of them that we can see? So he backed it up? Okay.
There's no damage at all. And he's never touched. So there's not a crime.
Certainly doesn't look like it, especially with the plastic bumper holder.
I want a police report made. They have police reports every time like farts. I want a police report made.
For what, ma'am?
I was threatened.
He was threatening. We
Yes,
all
they
out
did.
here.
They hurt
She
you.
was threatening. He just wasn't listening.
Both of them did.
We do want a police report.
They threatened.
See, she's still running the mouth. So,
Beginners, you guys gotta learn to get along. Living there and there, yelling like this ain't gonna work.
this will work. This will be like. This will be worse this summer. So we ain't moving.
This all started when he got here.
In the window.
That whole house.
Well,
I don't know how old she is. I told her to shut the window and then come out here.
So, what is everybody's problem with them?
No, their problem.
I'll bribe
Run, go back to your report. Literally on May 16th when my dad was in brain surgery, she called you guys 60-something times because we park on that side of the road. She thinks she fucking owns it. But the dumb mental retarded bitch called and had these signs put on
You've
this side.
explained it. That's what your problem is with them. That's
She's a retarded ass cunt. That's the fucking problem. And
These
her
signs
dude is
was
fucking
not
so
up
much
here for
stuff.
10 fucking years before the bitches moved in.
Oh, I'm not
And they
worried
started
about those
calling
signs. I was just talking about parking too close to another parked vehicle. That is
Because he wanted to back, he backed all the way, we was parked there and he backed all the way up.
Literally, he does this every day.
He backed all the way up into the car. So
I haven't said shit.
man.
Look at my
Like,
front
stop
bumper.
fucking backing
I
up.
have
You hit him?
No, I didn't touch
I mean,
him.
no. I mean, did he hit you when he backed up?
Sir, every day he taps my shit, and I know these are all from his work vehicle. And I haven't called y'all or said anything. And he's on my mom's camera hitting my shit. And I haven't said a fucking thing. I've let it go.
Okay.
They're petty as fuck. They call y'all because we park over here. And your sergeant, your second shift sergeant already told her, quit calling us. They can park here. It's legal.
No, that's not the truth.
They can park
Literally.
over
So
here.
yes, now I want his insurance information.
I
since I called
haven't said
y'all.
a word.
Yes, I do.
I have not
Who's his
said a
insurance?
word.
Because now I want my shit fixed. Did he not? Did y'all not watch him in my shit?
It's just
the other day?
neighbors fighting.
Literally, he does this shit. They're being petty.
I would.
ain't done nothing.
Please tell her to shut the fuck up.
Quiet down or nobody wants to listen.
Come over
Well, she's
here.
a retarded ass cunt.
Hey, come over here.
She mattered down the left of her
Come
whole
over
life.
here, because you know they're all a whole bunch of fucking crybabies. Get the fuck over here. We're talking to them.
That's just not cool. That's just not cool. That is my shit. Fucking hoe, I swear to God.
See?
Shut him up.
Ma'am, you guys are both insulting each other
No,
here.
I haven't said a word to listen what you say.
I just listened to you
I'm
insult her.
reacting.
I understand that, but they're riling you up to get you to say
Yes,
stuff.
exactly. That's
Now-
why they won't shut up. They never shut up.
How warm is it? How warm is it? Yeah. The port tours are already starting.
Now, it doesn't look like anything happened today with the cars or anything
I got
like that.
threatened. I got threatened. I just they
What
said they
did she
beat my
say?
ass. I got threatened.
Okay.
They're certainly we're out the fucking window right now.
Me talking to them isn't going to do any good
No.
right now. They're not fans of me. Leave this alone. Stay inside where it's warmer for right now. Cars are fine. I mean, if you can solve stuff on your own, great. But if you gotta call us, okay. I just don't know
don't
what
like
good we're
calling
gonna be.
y'all.
I know. I don't know what good we're gonna be able to do on this one because this is neighbors fight.
Well,
kind
I
of thing.
want it made a record of.
And I'm gonna get you that information.
Okay,
ma'am.
because I'll take her ass to court. I'm sick
You
of it.
absolutely can.
Because I don't have no. I need.
Thank you. I'm writing it for you, and you're the one telling me. This is the report that I'll be taking. I'll take a threat report. I'll pull all this kind of stuff up. Please try and leave them alone.
I'm not.
You know what they're doing.
Honey,
they're
I
getting,
was doing
they're
laundry.
getting you riled up.
I was doing laundry, and all this
I
started.
called you because they had me blocked in.
And it was some petty stuff to
Yeah,
get
sure.
a rise out of
Yeah.
I'm in the house. I'm going. Fuck. Now I got to deal with it.
you. Good luck. Sorry? For what? No, why? She wants a sergeant out here. There's no cause for it. What's the issue? All right.
Hey, we're done.
Tell him quit touching my car.
He's not.
Yes, the fuck his leg just did. This house is in surveillance.
Let's go.
He most definitely broke his leg.
Wow. That guy's interesting.